Hello everyone! In this video po, tuturuan ko po kayo paano mag-send ng eCash to GCash natin. So, click mo lang send money. Once na ma-open mo na yung system, so ito na yung lalabas, diba? So, input mo lang yung username and password mo. Then, click mo lang send money. Then, click mo GCash. So, as of now, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. lang yung transaction natin sa GCash. So, enter natin yung mobile number natin. Sa akin, naka-register na yung mobile number ko dito. Ayan. Then, customer name. Okay. Then, amount. So, try natin 100 pesos lang. Kasi tutorial lang naman ito. So, ayan. Okay. Then, transaction password. Input mo yung transaction password mo. Then, confirm and send. Which OTP security would you like to proceed with? So, kung wala kang signal sa mobile mo, so, dito mo i-try sa email. So, ayan. So, mayroon kang ma-receive sa email mo na OTP. So, refresh lang natin itong ating email, Gmail. Okay, so, yan yung OTP. Okay, wait lang. 3769 7 9, okay. Then, submit code. Mayroon siyang charge na 1%. Ayan, so you have received 100 from GCash. So automatic po siya, real time po na matanggap mo yung GCash mo. So ayan po, so screenshot natin yan. Ayan, so download na lang natin. So okay, so yan lang po ang process paano mag-send ng eCash to GCash transaction using Unified Product and Services. So, kung gusto mo ding magkaroon ng business na ganito, open for home base and franchise po kami. So, just message me para ma-assist kita. So, marami din itong mga services. So, thank you so much sa panonood and God bless po.